Here is the 2026 Barefoot Summer Collection. As you can see, many colors, different styles for adults and for children. These are designed based on foot anatomy. Human feet is the design basis. So that makes sense for shoes, I think so. And yeah, if you want shoes that allow your feet function like they should function, you can find these summer shoes, new summer shoes, by clicking the link below and go to our website. All of the shoes have a 90-day free return policy, so you can test them at home and return them if you don't like them, but I think other shoes will go to trash because these are so comfortable. Thank you. Click the link below.